Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do an offline install of Nagios XI. An offline install of Nagios XI is important in environments with restricted or no internet access, such as secure data centers or air-gapped systems. It ensures monitoring capabilities can still be deployed and maintained without relying on external repositories or network connectivity. This approach also enhances security by minimizing exposure to online threats during installation. Let's dive right into today's installation video. The first step is to head to repo.nagios.com in order to grab the tarball to install Nagios XI offline. We can either click on the most recent tarball, which as of today is 05/13/2025, or we can click on Show All Versions and download an older version of Nagios XI. For today's demo, I will be installing the most recent version. We can click on the URL, and then it will be downloading in the top right. After you have it downloaded to your computer, transfer it to your Linux box or your virtual machine, and then we can head from there. The first thing we want to do is make a directory of RPMs in the temp directory. We could type out mkdir-p/tmp/rpms. Now we want to move the tarball of Nagios XI into that RPM directory. After that's moved, let's change into that RPM directory. Now let's extract the tarball, so we can type out tar xcf, and then we can just tab out the rest. Our second to last command is changing the directory into Nagios XI. Now our last command is doing a full install command. After we run this, Nagios XI will install on this machine. We can verify that the install has complete by saying complete. Nagios XI installation complete. You can access the Nagios XI web interface by visiting, and then it has a URL with an IP address in it. We can copy this URL and then paste it into your browser of choice. From there, we can do the final installation steps. On this page, we have some general system settings. Starting at the top, we have the program URL, time zone, language, user interface theme, and then either to use HTTPS only. Beneath this, we have our license type. Whether you want to use a trial, you have a license, or you want a free limited node use. After this page is fully configured to your liking, let's click Next. Lastly, we have some admin account settings. We have the admin username, the admin password, the admin full name, and then the email address associated with that admin account. For today's demo, I'll be switching the password to something super simple. We highly recommend switching it to something extremely secure. After this page is configured, let's click Finish Install. We now can click Login to Nagios XI. Using those credentials you just configured, let's log in. Let's agree to the license agreement. And we are officially in Nagios XI as an offline build. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to complete an offline install of Nagios XI today. For more support or any additional assistance regarding any of our products, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos and or tutorials regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and keep on monitoring.